Here you can see HiLine came back and they added flashing because they didn't have all the penetrations with flashing per Hardy install, so Hardy wouldn't have not a warranty in it. But I think you can see there's still not a 1/4 inch gap, say like this now on the new. They recocked a lot of this stuff, replaced that, and actually flashed it like it was supposed to. Did the same penetrations here. Still appears that they didn't cut up the flashing there. And the caulking that they did here in between is still all broken up all the way up here. Let's see up these ones too. They recocked some seams, but obviously not. I think it was probably only where they pulled off the siding and did it. And this is supposed to have a 1/4 inch gap here, and it's sitting down on the flashing.